Hello, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. Today we are talking about Parabola. So Parabola is so cool. Whoops, that's my little database. The database link is down below to all my awesome no-code tools that I'm building all these videos off of. But Parabola basically lets you pull a bunch of data into one place and then move it and mix it and change it around. So if you have a lot of data problems, if you have a lot of data sources that you need to pull from different places, like for instance, check this out. Here's some good examples. You can pull from Shopify, you filter the rows, you send the CSV as an attachment to an email, you pull from Facebook ads, you pull from Airtable, you pull from Google Analytics, you combine the tables. It lets us basically just take information from anywhere, pull information from just about any place, mix it, change it, mess it around, and then put it into and just send it and place it anywhere we want, right? It's like I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's hard to explain use cases for this. It's just so crazy cool. If you need to move data around and you have a lot of data stuff that you're working on, or you have multiple data sources that need to kind of pool together, or you maybe need to build reports on different interactions that you're building instead of checking it manually, it's just the coolest. So if you need anything done with data, you can probably do it with Parabola. It's a really powerful, awesome tool. So you can even pull from like APIs off the web, which is just amazing. You can do some really crazy stuff with that. So cool. Awesome. Data power in your hands super quickly and probably for free, I think. So check it out. I'll see you in the next episode. Let me know if you have any questions on the data functionality of Parabola, this awesome, wild, amazing, cool tool. See ya.